Malika, the other day I was cleaning my cupboard and I came across the Agra trip picture. Do you remember that trip?
Definitely, Vibha. It was our first school trip together. How can I forget it?
I know, right? Do you remember our train? Do you remember our train journey? How it started and all the kind of junk we had? And okay, fine. I think I'm doing too much of the talking. I think we should leave it to our trip experts.
Okay, so great. Like you said, the four people that we have on our podcast today are trip experts. We have Kajol from the 2011 batch. We have Nihal Teswani from the 2012 batch. We have Ashna from the 2013 batch. And we have Kush from the 2014 batch.
Oh, so you very strategically picked up the popular kids of all the batches, I see. So let's rekindle our school trip.
Hi guys, so what's been up? It's so good to see all of you guys here together. And I think for the first time we are having 4 different batches talking together about a very exciting topic, school trips. So yeah, I think only occasion, multiple batches. So where do you think we should start this off from?
Guys, I don't know about y'all, but the one thing that I remember back actually quite clearly is not just the starting of the trip. It's more like how the person entered with that form to get the trip. Like it was around the same time of the year. You knew that trip was coming. You didn't know the destination. You didn't know where it was going to happen. But that excitement was there. Whether you were going, whether you were not going. And I don't know. I've been there for 4 trips, and every single time that form came in, even if it was a place that I visited before, now I had to go with my friends. It was a whole other scene, and it was great.
Exactly. There was a completely different rush, when you used to get those forms in class, and all the children used to be like, all the children, like all of us used to be like, oh shit, this place, like we used to just keep turning the pages and we used to keep going through the itinerary. It's a 9-day trip, and the budget is this much. Oh, it's nice. Mom, dad will agree. And then, bro, are you coming? And then all of us would just usually decided before even asking our parents.
Did anyone else feel like? What that form looked like the minute someone walked in? Like there was a very peculiar looking form. Like you knew, like there was like a receipt at the bottom. You knew, oh my god, this is a trip form that's come. Like okay, fine. Now
also, we were so used to getting circulars in school. Like we used to understand that if the circular is stapled and if there's a thick bundle of circulars coming, we used to understand it's something different. Another level of excitement.
Document. Yes, circular nahi hai. This is a legit document.
Worst feeling if it comes during a lecture where, oh my god, a teacher would not let you read it. Then the anticipation that, oh my god, where are we going? What are we going to be doing? Like, can we please just read this?
All of us still, managed to see it somewhere in the desk or something. We used to still see where to ja rahe. That was always like known.
So what used to happen, for example, if the teachers are not showing us the forms and she's kept the bundle on her table, the first page is always on the top. So I remember doing this at least 2-3 times. So if there's a teacher who's not showing the forms to us and she's continuing teaching, I wanted to go to the washroom and I would just get up and I used to cross the table and I used to just try to look. And little did I know that I'll manage to look at the place exactly because it's in bold, it's in caps, and it's in bold. And I would once I would come back from the washroom and I would just tell everyone, this is where we are going.
My first trip was with Mount Abu, and I'm telling you, when that form came in, and it was, I think, 3,000 rupees or 3,500 rupees. This was my 4th grade, and I've seen the form, and I've actually thought, bada महंगा है ये. मम्मी तो allow नहीं करेगी. ये 3,500 तो भरना नहीं होगा.
Oh my god! If someone took me for a trip today, 3,500, I would be like, where do you want to go? I mean,
yeah. You all remember the line for like the payment and stuff. I remember. So for us, we used to make a group. We all like girls are gonna go and stuff, and we used to have one mother as a representative. And she used to come early in the morning. She used to stand first. The rest of us used to come from behind, and we used to just like slide our checks through. Okay, please send this. Like, please get this done.
Yeah.
We used to have a parent having to come, right? Like, was that what the deal was? Oh yeah, I totally like.
I don't have these problems. Never.
Oh, yeah, of course, Nihal. We know you don't have these problems.
Never thought that I was going to buy any. It was more mummy like. खुद घर में मेरा ticket रहेगा. So
They did our 9th standard trip, like our final trip for our batch. They did it like as a solo trip for us. We didn't have another batch join us for that trip.
oh right, yeah. Well,
Yeah.
just like volume, right? Like as the time, and also like by the
Everyone
ninth
wanted to
grade,
go.
you didn't have to worry about that permission thing, which जो 4th grade, 5th grade में you did.
Yeah. Yeah, like
that
initially
it
permission
seemed
was a
like
big
after
task.
Maharashtra.
So guys, do you all remember the anticipation and all of that time that we used to take to like just prep for that 3-4 whatever days of trip?
Yeah.
And,
Oh God.
all the packing and all the kind of things you needed. It was even whether like you wanted to see what's on the itinerary, those things, even the things that were not on the itinerary, and you wanted to take all those
So-
lists and all those things.
I remember that
So-
the itineraries used to mention dry snacks for the way, and then it used to mention a couple of things. So I used to have this habit कि I used to tell my mom कि मम्मी देखो यहाँ पे फॉर्म में ये सब लिखा है तो ये सब तो पक्का लेके जाना ही है. तो ये हर एक चीज चाहिए मुझे इधर जो भी पड़ा है. टावल अगर 2 बोला तो मैं 2 टावल लेके जाऊंगा. अगर लेस बोला है ये
That
बोला है
is
वो बोला है
so
dry snacks
true.
बोला है, I'm gonna take dry snacks. I'm gonna take a
I
full
think-
bag full of, so we can have a picnic.
I think during the trips, like the packing and like the whole, like, as you said, following the itinerary, I think it was the only time my parents would willingly and voluntarily get the junk food to me. And it was no guilt because it was mentioned from school in a circular that you're supposed to send this with the students. It was perfect. I was like, bring on the junk. Just bring it on.
No, I don't know about y'all, but like when I used to on that first day, right, like that early morning when we used to reach the school to get picked up by the bus, I used to be solid judging people with like mad amounts of luggage. क्योंकि मेरा तो 2 जोड़ी कपड़ा था, and I used to see people with like who got their entire wardrobe. They got a wardrobe for 3 days, and
Three girls.
We had
Girl.
we had so many options, we had so many things to do. We just had
You
to
guys-
plan perfectly
Yeah,
for each
like-
thing.
You guys would wear your one jeans and a different t-shirt inside your hoodie,
Yeah.
and it wouldn't make a difference to you. We girls had different hoodies
so
also.
my life right now.
Yeah.
basically.
See, for example, we had games night, we had DJ night, we had sightseeing, we had different outfits planned for everything. We had options also.
If I could say one thing from my first trip to my last trip, it is how much technology just changed in my 4th standard to 9th standard.
Oh,
Because I did not have like
True.
I did not have any kind of tech growing up, and like just people like whoever you saw around, from a normal, extremely basic camera to having a proper digital camera by the 9th grade and a phone with a camera and things like that, and everything was recorded.
I used to remember, I used to take that small Kodak ka dabba. I used to take it, I used to click pictures of it.
With the
and
film?
anywhere.
did you have that film also? Like,
Yes,
a
I
box
did.
of
Yes, I
films?
did. And I never knew when it's going to get over. And I want to tell you this, I went for my Hyderabad trip. What happened next is I started clicking pictures in the train, and my reel got over by the time I reached Hyderabad. So I didn't have anything
What
to
did you
take in
take?
Hyderabad. I mean, and मैं वहां से कहाँ से खरीदूंगा? मेरा खत्म हो गया. मैं कैमरा का यूज क्या है? ट्रेन, सारे सिर्फ ट्रेन की फोटोज है, स्टेशन की फोटोज है. मुंबई में तो रह रहा हूँ बचपन से. स्टेशन की फोटोज है, ट्रेन की फोटोज है. हैदराबाद का कुछ है नहीं.
God. So this reminds me also, like, as you mentioned, like how technology changed. It's very funny that technology changed, but the kind of photos we clicked really did not. Like, I think the entire school life from the 4th standard to 10th standard, the same poses were clicked by majority of the people. And one of those is like a common thing, which is a mirror selfie. Like the
Yeah.
mirror photograph, like you're all posing in front of the mirror and you click it with your camera.
I
And it
have
was
them.
so funny because you could not shut the flash and like the olden cameras, or it didn't have a flash, and then you would like try some angle with the light and try to get those photos. Oh my god, it was a task. More than
you know-
phones and cameras, I think more importantly was like how the device to actually hear your music changed,
Oh,
because you
yeah.
would have to stay up like 2-3 nights prior to the trip and make your cassettes or CDs if you had like a Walkman, or like, I don't know, like an MP3 player. But like then with the iPod coming in, and it was just like,
Kajol is clearly
Hallelujah.
the oldest in this group. She just said,
Yeah,
"Let your
come
cassettes."
on.
Yeah. She said cassette banayenge.
So after all of this, like the main part, I mean, there used to be, I mean, for sure for everyone, man. No matter what batch, nothing but the trip. I know we are going to Hyderabad and we're going to Bangalore, we're going to Goa, we're going to Mount Abu, but the main part, the train journey,
Oh my god.
the train journey. I mean, you're going from one part to the other and you're spending like 20 hours, 22 hours in a train. You're spending 17 hours, 18 hours in a train, and it's an overnight train. The best part, I personally used to, I used to feel like, मैं जब फॉर्म पढ़ूंगा ना, मेरे को बस देखना है कि डिपार्चर कितने बजे. अगर सुबह का डिपार्चर है तो मेरा मूड ऑफ होने वाला है. I need an overnight in the train. That is a completely different zone altogether.
True.
I
Very
think I've had
true.
only overnight things though. I never
Yeah.
had the morning to night. We all
Yeah.
the trips I had were
Yeah, even we had like
Our
overnight
trains used to
trains.
start in the afternoon, I think. Afternoon, evening.
around the afternoon
Yeah.
evening.
So I used to actually not even get sleep the previous night because I was so excited. And the best part, yeah, like no sleep. And I would, so we had to always wear our school ka PT t-shirt. the
PT
house
t-shirt.
one. Yeah, always for every trip and like with jeans or like whatever. And I used to
Yeah.
always have that iron previously, 2 days before it should be ironed, kept nicely outside. I'm going to wear this with my shoes, socks, everything used to be there. Even all
There
the
was a train
photos that
outfit.
you look
Guys,
back.
there was a proper train outfit. The first
Yeah.
outfit your friends are going to see you in is your train outfit.
Because
It's not.
Yeah.
and it's really funny because if you go through all your albums of your trip pictures,
Yeah.
your entire first 30-40 pictures is just you in your PT t-shirt.
But you know, guys, like when we used to get our places in the train, we would not be like, necessarily with our friends. It was based on who paid first and all that. So I remember shifting people, and sometimes even when other bookings are done, like random people, we have requested them कि भैया please हमारा सब friends है देखो uniform में है हमें साथ में बैठना है please like fast shift हो जाओ ना.
Just learning
And they've
bargaining in
actually-
life from that very young age.
The train was the only spot in the entire trip where you even if you wanted to, you couldn't separate from everyone. Everyone was
Yeah.
together. कि बस में सेपरेट हो गए, होटल रूम में सेपरेट हो गए हो, मॉन्यूमेंट देखने के लिए सेपरेट हो गए हो, बट वो कंपार्टमेंट तो दूर ही नहीं है ना, तुम all 100 people are in that same freaking compartment.
But yeah, like Ashna, as you said, asking people to shift. Oh my God, I have so many memories of how, like our entire batch, and I'm sure this happened with all of you all, where the teachers have literally shifted us in the middle of the night because people
Yes.
have complained about
Yes.
us saying, oh my God, this group of students are creating havoc. Please ask them to leave or like separate them. And they have done this in the middle of the night. Like our bags are there and like, everything is there. All you have with you is like your music device and you're just sent to some random compartment with random people.
I'll tell you all. So there was this Manali trip we were going. It was in our 9th standard. So a lot of kids had come. And we, like 5 of us were with 2 teachers. So Sally and Miss was there and Hina Miss was there with us. And I kid you not, we have literally seen the flip side of them on trips. And they are so much fun. We've actually had this girl. Yeah, they were really fun. So this girl called Vijaya from my batch, she like you said, we didn't want to separate. So we all used to come in like one thing and we used to like talk and have fun and dance, play, damsharats, everything used to go on. So she started, we were talking and she started imitating other teachers. So, and it was fun. We were imitating other teachers in front of the teachers. She has even imitated Sally and Miss in front of her, and Sally and Miss has gone crazy laughing over it.
Wow.
So that's
The
one of
teachers
the
also
most
have
fun.
holiday, man.
Yeah, so
In the
as you
middle of
said,
their Diwali vacation, भी उनकी छुट्टियां थे यार. Like it
so
was
the
their
fact that
holiday.
you
Of course,
mentioned,
of course.
the fact that you mentioned it's a teacher's
Much
holiday
needed.
as well. Like, when you see them in school, you have this like image that teacher ऐसी हो सकती है. You can't see the teacher in any other manner. Like, you just cannot. Yeah, very proper
Yeah.
voice. ये teacher ऐसी है in that typical type of clothes, and you just can't
Voice.
picture them. Yeah, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
on the trip you see them with their face masks and their jack pants and
Shades and all the cool dress
shit.
codes and
I know,
everything.
it's like, okay, the teachers are here to have some fun too.
So guys, do you all remember how like we used to only literally pay attention to the hotel and hardly any attention to the monuments that we're actually going to see? Because I have gone to trips and I genuinely don't remember even one monument. Like I don't know why, but I don't. And even like like the hotel, the rooms, who you're going to stay with and everything. So I've like the Goa trip that we had, the first trip, I remember
Goa mein
actually doing a
monument
chit
nahi
system.
kahan.
But
Goa mein
still, like, so we had done this kit system, and because we were 7 girls, now each room had to have 4 people.
4 people.
So, who will be in whose room? So we did this chit system, and it's not the normal chit system that you will think that, oh, okay, like names, and then you pick and all of that. We made them write, okay, the 4 people who you'd want in your room, like, including yourself.
You know how we used to do it? If we were stuck in such a situation ever, now we were boys, we were a group of 9-10 people. We used to take, to idhar aa, ghoom, tap tap tap, ye kaun hai, ye kaun hai, ye kaun hai. And then we used to be like first 4 ek room mein, second 4, next 4 dusre room mein, and all that stuff. And but you know
modern
what?
solution, modern
There were
solution.
certain trips for sure that we know all the boys of a group wouldn't come, and obviously girls and boys can't stay together. So can't stay in one room together. So we used to always have this. At least I remember that there were one of my friends, two, three friends of mine who used to feel bad and used to feel left out and stuff. Shit, these guys are taking their room. I mean, it's fine. I mean, anyways, room में जाके सिर्फ change करना है. वैसे भी हमको बाहर ही घूमना है and all that stuff. रात को जाके सोना है. But then still, that used to pinch. There is a selection of the 4 people.
Bro, after the selection and all that, but the hotel rooms were quite nice. It was just the hotel vibe was only very nice. We used to
Yeah.
have.
What did you like about the hotel rooms?
I'm gonna say it honestly. Like Push just pointed out that the girls and guys cannot stay together. I'm very glad. Bro, I had too much fun with my boys during that hotel room time.
Yeah.
Right? There was like too much nonsense. Because coincidentally, what used to happen is it was not like one room guys and then another room. It was like one entire section used to be only guys' rooms. One entire section used to be only girls' rooms. And the havoc we used to create in that, there used to be, people were not allowed to sleep. You knock on the door at 12 o'clock in the night when lights are apparently supposed to be off. I've had people come with a bucket of water, knock the door,
man.
half asleep, you opened it and they just chucked a bottle of water on you. They have put toothpaste in your hair, markers on your face. I don't think that I was like, if I don't, that was like, oh, ठीक है यार ये पागल लड़के हैं यार. These are
Thinking of this, ये सब चीजें हमारे साथ ट्रेन में भी बहुत हुई हैं. जब भी हम ट्रेन में जाते थे and we used to sleep off, and these friends, I mean not me of course.
I highly doubt that statement.
That was my friend.
Yeah, my friend XYZ.
Happened with me. I was sleeping and these guys have taken a recording of me wherein they're putting paste on my face and I'm just sleeping, snoring on the lower berth. And it's so sad. And in the morning they show me the recording and I'm like, मैं उठा कैसे नहीं यार? इतना भी क्या गहरी नींद में हो यार? मैं थका भी नहीं था.
But I think the kush.
Yes, right.
No. But I think the kush that was in school, I could totally like see him not waking up for something like this and just like sleeping through it and being like, "हाँ डाल दो."
हाँ, toothpaste ही तो है यार.
Toothpaste ही तो है. डालो.
Like you don't sleep previous night because you're so excited that on the trip you just sleep off, and the first person to sleep always gets all this. Always.
Yeah, man.
No, coming back to Ashna, what you were saying about the hotels and not the monuments. I mean, to a certain extent, yeah, everyone looked forward more to like spending time in the hotel because that's where you got to chill with friends. Like when going on those monument sightseeing days, you had to firstly like keep quiet, like or if you don't keep quiet, every 10 minutes you had someone who like shh, shh. And it was really frustrating. So then you just chose to keep quiet. But then I think in the hotel, like the games night and like the games day, we had like an entire games day planned for us, and that was like so much fun. You got to like interact with your seniors, your juniors, your batchmates that you don't usually chill with in school. I think that's what made it more exciting.
That DJ party which we looked forward for, I remember coming back from that DJ party going, oh my god, I've had such a crazy night. The DJ party was till 9:30 in the night. It started at 8:30 in the night. It was 1 hour of listening to Bollywood music. But at that time, I was having such a lit time. I was having such. But
Yeah, like that used to be the second
Sonal
time I would
का
dance. That used to be the second time I would dance in a year, एक annual day और एक DJ night. Otherwise नाचना क्यों है?
I
कहीं
think
नाचने ही नहीं
DJ
करते थे.
parties were too much fun. Like, I think that was also one more time, like we said, teachers also were on vacation. Like, they also really let loose, having fun with. I really
Yeah.
still have so many memories of dancing with Gitika Miss and like Sabya Miss. I think these two teachers have danced with our batch, like from the start to the end.
Okay.
Even though it's a 1 hour DJ party, yes, from start to end, these two teachers have not left the dance floor. It was so much fun to, just have that fun with them and not just like sit behind books.
Ashna,
Oh my
listen, do you remember the Manali trip?
Yeah, dude, it was a puke fest. It was a puke fest.
It was. Like nothing else can define it. Just say it's a puke fest. Nothing else
I'm
can
serious, guys. Everyone has puked. Anyone who's been on that trip has puked. Our batch or their batch, everybody's puked. I myself puked 8 times. And
I think that was our Mount Abu trip. What do you
Mount
think?
Abu was
Neha?
also similar. Yeah, go ahead.
That was our puke fest, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've actually had to from the train itself, people started puking, And I remember the bus journey also, we had to stop at places multiple number of times, not
Right.
in their initial plan because of the number of times people wanted to puke.
Like the bus journeys post, usually even Mount Abu was it was such a steep ascent for so long that people had to throw up. It was there was पहली बात तो समोसा वमोसा खिला रहे हो ट्रेन में.
Fruity. It's not the samosa, it's the fruity. It's that
fruity,
distinct mango tasting fruity that gets you pukey, man. It's the fruity.
I'm telling you all now. We've discussed anticipation. We discussed the train journey. We discussed the hotels. I'm going to tell you all my greatest experience is the bus journeys within that city. Wherever our destination was, I've had the greatest time. Especially I had this trip where in the Agra trip, because our school, there were a lot more guys on that trip than girls. So the buses got full with the guys. And there were only 4 people that did not seat. Now there was Jerome, this friend of ours, Revat, Jerome, myself, and I can't remember the 4th person, but yeah, so we were 4 of us that were put into the girls' bus, right? And we thought that this was, and I'm telling you, when it happened, I thought, oh my God, the amount we are good. And this was with our seniors, right? This was with Kajol's batch as 4 guys in a whole girls' bus. We're going to get ragged throughout that
The entire trip?
It's
Yeah,
the first
the
time
entire
I've spoken to Kajol, right? Like that is actually one of the first times I've ever spoken to her, and I have had the best time ever during those bus journeys.
Like all the bus journeys,
So
I
true.
remember, we've always played all these kind of games, be it Antakshari, be it just dancing with your music and
it comes with it.
everything. And name the game, and we've played it in the bus.
Yeah, and bus journey just.
For me, talking about the bus journeys, so this is something really funny. I don't know if this happened to you guys, but how there used to be this constant thing about who's going to sit where in the bus. Similarly to the train stuff, but with the bus, it was an unsaid rule कि ये जो 10-15 cool बच्चे वो पीछे बैठेंगे. मतलब even if the cool kids are entering the bus last, they would not have to fight. मतलब वो पूरा आगे के
स्पेस बना के रखेंगे पीछे.
रख दिया है. मतलब the last whole row and 2 rows in front are just left for these 15 to 20 cool kids who are going to go sit there. An unsaid rule.
मैं उनमें से नहीं था. So I was the one giving the space.
Whenever we used to go for these trips, we always used to have 2 batches together. So I have either gone with the batch below me or I have gone with Ashna's batch. And I don't remember, but I'm sure we must have gone for a trip together. You and I are present in that trips. I don't know if you remember, but during the bus journeys, they used to show these movies. Okay,
Yeah.
not even movies, just a movie. They used to show it, and there was this small chindi set TV on top. वहाँ पे पिक्चर लगी है, वहाँ पिक्चर चल रही है, पिक्चर खत्म, वापस पिक्चर वही पिक्चर चालू.
Yeah.
Oh my
somehow
God.
in my whenever I've seen the movie, it's only played half and it stopped.
Yeah,
Not even replay, just stopped. So we used to
Randomly.
make our games and play.
guys, because you knew the end of the movie. Maniji Cooper owned 2 DVDs. George of the Jungle and Baby's Day Out.
अरे
तो आधा दिखा है, पहले वाला आधा दिखा है, पीछे वाला आधा दिखा है. You knew how it started, what happened, and how it progressed.
Oh God, Baby's Day Out. I can never forget it.
So many times, and I love the movie because of that.
Yeah. I mean, I can tell you every single dialogue from Baby's Day Out, including the Gaga Kuku done by the baby.
But you know, like, very, very true about the buses being different for like the guys and girls. So I remember this one time, like Manali, because everyone was puking and all. Some people used to like sit in before, some people used to like come later and all. So I was one of the people who were puking at that time. So I'd come a little later. And this guy in the bus, he was like a good friend. So he was like, concerned. So I could see, he could not see me standing down, but I could see him in the bus, like literally jumping from one end to other, seeing whether I've gotten in the bus or no. And it was so funny when he finally saw that I'm sitting like right there and seeing what he's doing.
Ashik attitude. Ashik.
Yeah.
Now that you say Ashik, and it takes me right back to Himesh Resham, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, those songs also. Those songs used to play so much. We've danced to those songs.
We've
I
danced
used
to
to wear the
only those.
adventure cap purposely in the
Yeah,
bus.
you done it.
The adventure cap I used to wear purposely in the bus, and I used to sing. to
And
the
yeah,
music.
and everyone was in this complete Himesh Reshamiya feel, like on the Surur and Ashik Banaya apne songs, and everyone's like just there in the zone.
So guys, you all know that we've spoken so much about all these trips and stuff, but I mean, for sure, like there is this one particular trip which we go mad over, and like which is our favorite. No matter when, I mean, even if you've gone in the 5th standard or even if you've gone in the 10th standard, no matter when you've gone for this trip, but there must be something, yeah. Like even a picnic is okay, even Tikujiniwadi is fine for a matter of fact. Like even those 1-2 days trips which we get in the 9th or 10th standard, anything. Like there must be something which we like about the destination more than having fun ourselves. But that particular trip, the place was beautiful. I mean, the destination was just one heck of a destination, and I feel that we all have this one particular place.
Maniji Cooper enough for showing me the Taj Mahal at the age I saw it. I cannot tell you all. I have gone to visit Agra a couple of times after. I've seen the Taj Mahal a couple of times after. I took my mom to see it the second time, and she did not have the kind of experience that I had. Because when I had it at whatever 6th standard, I remember how we got off the bus to that moment where I turned right to the Taj Mahal ka entry gate. I remember it all. And then there was this one particular moment, because when you see the Taj Mahal, right, like when you turn, it just suddenly comes in front of you. It's not like you can see it from afar. You enter the gate and it's magnificent. Like it's huge.
You must have been pretty emotional about it.
I was weeping. Like it was quite an overwhelming experience.
Oh, how cute.
I don't want to hide that. Like till date, even if you ask my mom and dad, what is the best thing that you've seen? What is my best moment, monument-wise, is that. For me, the Taj Mahal lived up to all the hype. And it should be वैसा jewel wool जो भी है. मेरे लिए तो है.
I mean, you had such a nice emotional story. So mine's obviously nowhere close to having like that much emotion. But I think for me, best trip destination would have to be Malaysia. Like, the first international trip that school chose to take us for, and with barely I mean, I could count, there were 11 or 12 students who were there on this trip with I think Kadam Miss and the principal. And that's it. And I mean, my first international trip as well, not just with school,
Right.
but in general, in life, it was my first international trip. And then to do it,
Oh, nice.
technically a solo trip to do it, even though you're with your friends, but it's as good as a solo trip, you're not with family.
Yeah.
So I think it was amazing for me like that. And I still have an artifact from that trip. I have an opener, and it has I have a twin tower opener. Yeah, magnets too, yeah, but I have the twin tower openers and all. It was, I think, my most memorable destination.
Ashka, what about you?
So I feel like, Manali would be the one for me because, it was so beautiful in itself also. Like the whole place, we didn't even have to go out. Like the hotel ka location was also such that from every corner, if you would look, it was so beautiful. And the fact that it was one of our last trips, we all were also there. So, the fact that you're living with your friends for a certain number of days, all that also just added like a cherry on top.
Yeah.
What about you, Kush? What was your like
Yeah.
favorite school
It
trip
was
destination?
it was the same as Ashna. What she said, it was Manali. We went just after Ashna's batch came back, and I think I still remember the hotel's name. It was something around Snow Point Hotel or Snow Park Hotel. It was something like that. And I'll tell you what, for me, I used to get so happy because we all stay in Bombay, and to experience snow and to experience mountain life at that particular age, it was really something else for me.
Adding on to what Kush said, like there are obviously trips that we like because of the destination and what we got to see there. Like how you guys described Manali, and for Nihal, like Agra, it was beautiful. But which trip did you guys like enjoy the most because of like just the fun aspect, like the fact that with the certain friends you were with, and like what was that best trip for you? Anyone can
For
start.
me,
That'd be like
go ahead.
Go ahead,
Yeah, I-
Ashna, go.
Ashna, I think it's going to be the same.
no,
Go up.
I would say Manali. But actually, I will say Khandala because we had more friends over there. Even though it was a one night thing, there were a lot of more people over there, and like we just all those hours, like 36 hours or whatever we were with each other, it was just every single second was fun. So
Right.
yeah. And last trip, so everyone just
For
goes
me, it was
all out.
Bangalore. I'm gonna say Bangalore because we were like in the 8th grade, I think 8th or 9th grade. I don't completely. I think 8th grade. But yeah, Bangalore was one of those things where Bangalore is very similar to Bombay in what you can see and what you can experience. And in the 8th grade, there was not like it wasn't like a monument kind of destination. So it was like a make a most of the opportunity.
Mhm.
So we had more time, like just the guys doing their thing, the guys and the girls doing their thing. I remember we were sent to the India's first mall, and that was like a proper destination. कि हम लोग India's first mall जाने वाले हैं. और उधर भी आचीज ही था, मीनिंग वहां से भी गिफ्ट खरीदना था, वैसा कुछ चल नहीं रहा था. It was the same kind of experience, same kind of game area. There was like that same haunted house which
Yeah.
I have been scared 10 times before, and I got scared then. I hate people following me, and people following me in the dark just doesn't work. People came out with swollen cheeks, a bruised elbow, ran
Yeah,
into the wall.
crying,
Well,
and weeping, whatnot.
Nihal, when does following forget light or dark ever a good sign?
In Bombay, it's a used to sign, ना?
No.
अच्छा follow कर रहे हैं तो करने दो, वैसा है. But ये इसमें this was like proper legit, like. But yeah, it was.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I remember having a great time even during that trip, and there was no reason to have it because of the place. It was because of the and yeah, just as a tourist, it was just more. Yeah, I guess.
Cool. What about you, Kush?
For me, it's actually, I am not pretty sure, but I feel the 10th standard trip, the Pune trip, because we were grown-ups and, we had, we could think and we could probably, like, we could understand things better and people better. The last trip, knowing the fact this is the last Manekji trip, we all, as a boys group and the girls group, that time, there was a lot of leeway given to us. Have fun, do whatever you all want. This is the last 2 days, you all can have fun in the school trip, just do whatever you all want whenever you're at the hotel. We will have a site visit, but when you all come back, just enjoy, have fun.
For me also, I think the final trip that we had, like the 1 day trip,
Yeah.
or even like for us, as I mentioned earlier, the 9th standard trip for us was like, only our batch because we were like everyone who wanted to go for it. So yeah, like the 1 day trip had like no drama because we've all got to know each other that well at the end of the year, and we're like, come on, man, last trip, it's better to just have fun than like, have that stupid little fights that every trip has. But on the other hand, Kerala was the trip with the maximum amount of drama. It had fights from the first day, sitting in the train, till the last day, getting off at the station again. Like there were fights every single day. But I think like that would still be the best trip for me because today, when you look back at it, you're like, you remember that trip because there are so many memories like linked to that particular trip. You're like, dude, we did this. We were so stupid. Oh my God, dude, we did that. We were so
Yeah.
stupid. But like now you can just look back at it and like enjoy,
Guys, like just at the start of this discussion, I did not know like whether I had the stories. When I got approached by them, I did not know whether I had that many stories of school trips. I've been for a few, but I did not know whether I could go back to them. When you all started off, you all have opened up this bucket of emotions, this bucket of memories that I like. It's just flowing now. Now I can just go back and go, oh, ye bhi kiya, ye bhi kiya, ye bhi kiya. Sab chala, mast chala. I have had a great time. I
And
hope
definitely, yeah, it was a ball connecting with all of you all. I mean, 4 different batches, and like we've hardly spoken. I mean, some of us must have, but
Right.
properly, like we've hardly spoken and hardly even
Yeah.
actually all these years, how they've passed, and like talking about all of this just has taken us back over there. And for everyone who's watching this podcast as well, if you all have any other stories to share, just please get in touch with the MCD podcast team, and they'll get it out. And it's great. It's refreshing to talk to Cooperites, all you Cooperites. Like you're going to hear all these stories, all are going to relate it to yourselves, and it's going to be so nice.
I totally agree with everything you all have said. It was an amazing time. And as always, I think you guys should like this video, share it with all your friends and all the Cooperites, and hit the subscribe button down below.
We've not practiced this.
But yeah, but anyways, like finishing this off, I think the MCD podcast team is like definitely doing a great job, and getting 4 different batch members to come together and share their stories because they're so different and they're so nice and exciting at the same time. I think it was great. And yeah, guys, whoever's watching this, please stay tuned to MCD podcast for much more exciting content and episodes to keep you engaged throughout your week and yours.
Yay.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun land.